Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on our March Make a Journal 2026. This is the first time I'm doing it in March. Just so you know, I usually do one in September, and I'm still doing one in September. September, Build a Journal. This is March Make a Journal. Why? Because it sounded good to me. I don't know. So far, we have picked our theme, gathered our supplies, and when I say pick our theme, if you are just finding this video, please go back to day 5 or even the introduction video where I talk about this. It is a very specific theme. I don't want a generalized theme. I want you to pick something specific. That's all. And this is what I think I'll do every March, is pick a specific theme if I continue doing March Make a Journal. We'll see how this goes and go from there. So we picked our theme, gathered our supplies, we cut our pages, made our journal cover, assembled our journal. Here is my journal so far. Okay, we have made ephemera. So I have all kinds of ephemera in here. We have made tags. I have tags in here, and we have made pockets and envelopes. I have that in here. Today, we are finally finishing off our cover and our little tags. Not all of them, yes, because we are making paper clips and charms. Now, I also need to make, I was already planning on making paper clips with wax seals on them. I don't have wax seals. I'm not spending the money on wax seals. We are, however, going to make faux wax seals using a hot glue gun and red paint. And then I'm also making a charm. I found a bunch of things that I think match Taskmaster greatly. So a telephone, a little, whatever that is called, a musical note, a crown, a key, a cat, and then for a little pop of color, a popsicle. Just to give us a little pop of color, and I think I'll go with the green, just for some color. Otherwise, it's all silver. Let me put this bag away. And maybe, should I also put a little tassel on it? Let's put a little tassel on it for another little pop of color. And I'm going to do yellow to match the yellow and green. Or should I do red? I think I'm going to do, no, I think I want to do the yellow because it just matches the green and yellow. I mean, red is a color very much I associate, but, you know. Also, here's a thing, too. If you want, you could just, let's see, do I have any over here? I do. You could just take pre-made paper clips and use those. You can just grab bulldog clips and use those. You don't have to make anything. You can just grab from your stash. I mean, I have over here dog ones, giant ones, hearts. So you could just grab from your stash and use that. You don't have to make a paper clip. But once again, there should be 5, at least 5. So my charm counts as 1, and then these all count. And then we're going from there. I'm also going to keep out a bulldog clip because I grabbed it. So I am going to straighten everything up and get this glue gun heated up so we can make the wax seals first. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, this is hot enough. We're playing this by ear. I don't know how to do this. I am going to do the top of oh, come on. Make the best circle I can. Okay. I don't use my glue gun enough to want to get a better glue gun, but man, do I want a better glue gun. But I literally don't use it enough. There's a child down here. What do you need? Trying to make this as smooth as possible, but I don't think it's working. Give me a second. Okay, I had to pull it up and redo it, and now I have the backs of these, so I need to enclose the paper clip, because the paper clip can come right out. And then I think, no, get off of me. I think I've discovered how to do it right. I'm just going to, I need what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a big one. And literally, I'm just putting more hot glue into the center and kind of dragging it out. Like so. And now I'm just going to do 4 small ones. I need more glue. I'm going to need it anyway, so let's grab one out so we have it. Yes, this is like a $3 hot glue gun. It works, but like I said, I don't use hot glue enough to have like a really decent hot glue gun. I think this is what, an Art Mines? Yeah. Okay. What I hate about this one is having to push the glue okay, and we'll do 1 more, and then I got these up by using this Cricut tool, because we still need to put hot glue on the other side or the paper clip will come right out. Okay, let me unplug this so it's cold. I think this is the best we're gonna get using a hot glue gun, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna put these aside so they cool down and they dry, and then I am going to paint them. So while we're waiting on that, we're gonna put that aside. While we're waiting on that, we're gonna make our charm. I believe I can put that back. I don't need it. So, my kid did steal my tool. Also, I have 2 bulldog clips right here. I'm going to use those. I found this other key charm somewhere. Oh, in my basket of paper clips for some reason. We're going to use one of these right there. And I have all of these jump rings. And I believe this is a good size. And like I said, I don't have my tool. My kid stole it and never brought it back. I need to tell him to bring it back. I think I saw it in his room. I don't know how he knew I had one. Okay, so tassel at the bottom because it hangs. And then I think I'm going to take this key here. Can I? No, I can't flip it off the thing. Okay. So, but I do want to put that with my other charms. I am just going to start adding them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I kind of want to put I'm going to put the popsicle on next because I want to put that in the middle somewhere. So I'm just going to pick a spot. And then we can go around. So then there's color. And then I can just take, I'm going to need more. I can just take the rest and put them somewhere. I'm just pulling apart the jump ring and adding it and pushing the jump ring back. Okay, that's all I'm doing. And if you've watched Taskmaster, I hope that these make sense to you. And have you watched Taskmaster? And if you haven't, why not? I talk about it enough. I talk about it in my journals because we watch it all the time. It's a good show to put on in the background once you've watched it all. Okay, and then we got the key. Come on, get on there. There we go. Okay, I need a lobster claw. I forgot to grab one. All right, and then I have what? 2 more. So I need one last jump ring. Oh, no, I'm going to need another one because I need to add the lobster claw. Let me find my lobster claw. I literally just saw them, and now I'm not going to remember where I saw them. Oh, never mind. Right here. There we go. Okay. Let me put my lobster claw on. Oh, there's something wrong with that jump ring. It is welded shut. Okay. It was like it wouldn't budge. All right, and then we're gonna put it right here. For my other journal, I did a really big lobster claw, but this is just going on the thin twin loop, so I think it should be fine. Okay, and then we have a cat. I'm gonna put up here. And then this. What is this called? Is it a fleur de lis? What is it called? Here, you know what? Yes, it's a fleur de lis. I used Google Lens. Okay, and I think one right here. All right, so our charm is done. What do you think? Plus we have 2 bulldog clips. I'm just gonna clip them on to this little container over here so I don't lose them. This will go over there. I need to put this away. And let's put this away and I'll be back to hopefully paint and finish up these faux wax seals. Okay, let's not talk about what a pain that was to get some of these off, but I can also just go through and trim off with scissors these little nubs that got left behind and make it a little more appealing. Okay, and I think that might be it. And then I need to go find, I just wanted to show you that this was easily trimmable. If you'd ever want to do faux, I would practice more because this was kind of annoying to get them to look good, but I've never done it before. So like, but that one looks pretty good, right? It's very much circular. I need to go find, I do have one right here. I didn't think I did, but I do. Oh, never mind. That has glue on it. Okay, I had to go steal a paintbrush from the boyfriend. And all he has are foam brushes. So we're just gonna paint these red. Might need multiple coats, and I'm going to paint the front and the back of these paper clips. Maybe I should have waited. That was really stupid of me. Oh. Yep, we'll only do the fronts for now. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. And then we'll go back and do the backs. There is little, oh man, I'm going to get this all over my hands, but I did not see those glue strands. So let's get those off. All right. Okay, these can be painted just the tops because they're just going to get glued on. Then we'll set them down to dry. Again, these might take a while. I'm going to actually end up showing these to you after I'm done here in the next video because I have a feeling these are going to take many a coats. I wish I would have had colored glue, but I have a feeling these are going to take many coats. So in the next video, you guys, I'm going to show you these, and we are going to then add ribbons and trims to our journal. Remember you guys, we do not add any of this stuff to our journal yet. We add our ribbons and trims first. So that'll be in our next video. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.